Next, third one, triangle AEP. AEP, this triangle. ADB. So ADB, this triangle are similar. I have to prove. So let us take third one. In triangle AEP and triangle ADB. So in this triangle and this triangle, these two angles are equal. So this angle 90 and this angle is also 90. So angle AEP is equals to angle ADB is equal to 90 degree. Given it. Now another one angle is what? AEP ADB. So in this the angle A is common. AEP. So this angle for triangle AEP and same angle for another triangle ABD. So that is ADB. So this angle is what? Common for both the triangles. So what I can write? Angle EAP is equal to BAD is common angle. Okay, this is what? Common angle. Now, so by again using AA similarity criteria, these two triangles are similar. Triangle AEP is similar to triangle ADB because of AA similarity. AA similarity criterion. Okay. Now, fourth one, how we can solve it? Triangle PDC. PDC. BEC. BEC. Again same here. For the triangle BEC, 90 degrees here. For the triangle CDP, 90 degrees here. So in triangle, same procedure you are following. In triangle PDC and triangle BEC, so 90 degree. For triangle PDC, so that is angle PDC is equal to BEC. For the triangle BEC, this angle is 90 degree. That is angle BEC is equal to 90 degree. One condition I got. Next, another condition. So in these two triangle, common angle is C. You can observe here PDC. PDC, this angle. For this triangle BEC. BEC again, this is same angle. So now here angle for the triangle PDC, I'll write DCP. DCP is equal to BCE. BCE. This is what? A common angle it is. So this is common angle. Again by using AA similarity criterion, these two triangles are similar. So triangle PDC similar to triangle BEC. Okay. So again this is because of AA similarity. AA similarity criterion. Okay. So this is how we can solve it. Eighth question. E is a point on the side AD producer of a parallelogram ABCD and B intersects CD at F. Show that triangle AB is similar to triangle CFB. First I shall draw parallelogram ABCD. So this is the parallelogram ABCD. So here AB is parallel to CD. See here E is a point on the side AD. E is a point on the side AD produced. Means you can extend it. We have to extend the AD. I will extend AD here. E is a point on the side AD. That is E is a point on the extended part of AD. Extended part of AD. Next. And B intersect BE. Join this BE first. BE intersect CD. So BE intersects CD at the point F. So this is point F. Then show that triangle ABE. ABE, this triangle. Okay, this triangle similar to CFB. CFB. So this triangle is equal to similar to this triangle. I have to prove. Okay. Now here, can I say that this angle is equal because AB is parallel to CD? Now these two are alternate angles. Okay, these two are alternate angles. They are equal. One I got. Then another condition I want. What I can write? This is also equal. These two angles are also equal because ABCD is a parallelogram. In parallelogram, opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. Means angle A is equal to angle C, angle B is equal to angle D. But I need one angle of this triangle ABE. So that is angle A. For the triangle BCF, so angle C is equal. These two angles are equal. Then, and these two angles are also equal because of alternate angles they are. Now in triangle ABE and ABE and another triangle is what? CFB. CFB. Now I can write what? Angle EAB. EAB is equal to FCB. FCB. Because opposite angles of parallelogram. Opposite angles of parallelogram. Then these two angles are equal. For this triangle I will take ABE. Angle ABE is equal to this angle CFB. CFB. These are alternate angles or interior alternate angles also I can say. Alternate angles. Again I got two angles by using AA similarity criterion. Triangle ABE similar to triangle CFB because AA similarity criterion. AA similarity criterion. Okay, this you must write this condition. AA similarity criterion. Ninth question. In the following figure, ABC and AMP are right triangles. Right angle at B and M. Right angle at B and M. Respectively, prove that triangle ABC is similar to AMP. Second one, CA by PA is equal to BC by MP. First I'll write ABC triangle AMP. Okay. In this triangle AMP, angle M is 90 degree. ABC, angle B is 90 degree. So in these two triangles, in triangle ABC and triangle AMP, so angle in ABC I can write what? ABC. Angle ABC is equals to, in triangle AMP. So that is angle AMP is equal to 90 degree because they given it. So here I can write as what? Given. Next. So in triangle ABC, angle A, in triangle AMF, angle A. So angle A is common. What is that? For the angle ABC. So angle A is common, that is BAC. Angle BAC is equal to, for the triangle AMP, not P, I think it is F. ABC is AMF, it is. Okay, am I right? ABC, MF. Instead of this F, we can take this as P and this as P. AMP, it is not F. Okay. BAC is equal to, for the triangle AMP, so this angle is common, that is PAM. So this is what? Common angle. So this is common angle. Now again, by A similarity criterion, these two triangles are similar. So triangle ABC similar to triangle AMP. Okay. So because A similarity criterion. Now, second one in this. So second one is what? So these two sides are proportional. I have to prove it. So already we proved that these two triangles are similar. So if two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are also in a proportion, means they are in same ratio. CA divided by PA, then BC divided by MP. So since triangle ABC similar to triangle AMP, I can write this directly. CA divided by PA is equal to BC divided by MP, because corresponding sides of these are what? Corresponding sides of similar triangles. Similar triangles are in a same ratio. Okay. So this is the reason I can give this. Next question. CD and GH are respectively the bisectors of angle ACB and EGF such that D and H lie on the sides AB and FE of triangle ABC and triangle FEG respectively. First I have to draw two triangles ABC. So this is the first triangle I will take, ABC. Another triangle FEG. So I will take another triangle. So this is what? FEG. Out. First, you see this CD and GH are respectively the bisectors of angle ACB. CD is the bisector of angle ACB. So bisector of this angle ACB is CD. CD is the bisector of angle ACB. Bisector is nothing but what? These two angles are equalities. Okay. CD is the bisector of angle ACB, means this angle and this angle are equal. Next, GH. GH is the bisector of the angle. What is that? EGF. Okay. Means these two angles are also equal. This is over after here. If triangle ABC similar to FEG, show that. I have to prove all these three. Okay. So first I will take, before solving 1, 2, 3, I will write generally. So what they given? So given triangle ABC similar to triangle FEG. If two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. First condition. Second condition is what? Corresponding angles are also equal. So with that condition, I will write angle A is equal to angle F. So angle A is equal to angle F. I can write angle B is equal to angle E, and angle C is equal to angle G. I will write. Okay. Now, first one, let us see the first one. CD by GH. CD by, where is that? Here. CD by GH. AC by FG. AC by FG. Means for these two triangles, this triangle and for this triangle. So these two sides are proportional. I have to prove. To show this, first I have to show these two triangles are similar. If two triangles are similar, I can write, so their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Then automatically I can get this. Okay. To get this condition, I have to prove ADC triangle and FGH triangle are similar. I have to prove. For this, so this is equal to this one, because we already said that angle C is equal to angle G. Angle C is equal to angle G. Where is that? Here. If these two angles are equal and these two are also equal, if suppose, So this is I will take this as what? 2x. If suppose C is 2x and G also what? 2x. If this is 2x, what about this angle? This will be x and this will be also x. If this is 2x and this is also what? X and this also x. Means this angle and this angle equal. This angle and this angle is also equal, I can write. Okay. So for that reason, what I can write here? Angle, first one, angle DCA, angle DCA, otherwise in triangle, first I will mention in triangle ACD and another triangle FGH, DCA, angle DCA is equal to HGF, because angle C is equal to angle G, they given it, angle C is equal to angle G. First condition, one angle I got. To apply AA, another one condition, one more condition, that is angle A is equal to angle F. Can I write? Because here they given triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG, therefore angle A is equal to angle F. So means angle A is the angle of triangle ACD, angle F is the angle of triangle FGH. Next, extended part, angle A is equal to angle F. It is also given. So already I have taken it. Means I have proved it above. Now by using AA similarity criterion, two triangles, triangle ACD similar to triangle. For the angle A I must take F. For the angle A I must take F. Then for the angle C I must take here what? G. So for C I will take Z. Then remaining is what? For D I should take H. Okay. So these two triangles are similar because AA similarity criterion. You write here AA similarity criterion. AA similarity criterion. Okay. Write the reason there. Next, I want this one first. If two triangles are similar, then their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Means CD divided by GH. I'll get this. Corresponding side CD, GH. So this implies CD divided by GH is equal to next AC divided by FG. AC divided by FG. Now I can write AD by FH also. That is equal to AD by FH also. But I don't want it. I want these two only. So therefore I can write. Because corresponding sides of similar triangles are in same ratio. Because of that reason I can take this. Okay. So this completes the first one. Now let us go for a second one. For second one, you pause the video and copy this. Now we'll solve second one. Next, second one, DCB, triangle DCB, this triangle, HGF, this triangle. I have to prove these two triangles are similar. Again, same procedure. So again, this angle is equal to this one and these two are also equal because already written here. So now here, in triangle BCD and another triangle is what? EGH. Now angle BCD is equals to angle EGH. One condition I got. Second condition is what? Angle B is equal to angle E. Angle B is equals to angle E. Because I already proved here. So this is, I'll write it as what? Given or proved. Again by AA similarity criterion, triangle DCB similar to, for the angle D, that is H they have given. For the angle C, it is G. Then for the angle B, it is E. Okay. So because of AA similarity criterion. Similarly, the third one. Okay, same it is also. What is that? DCA. DCA similar to triangle HGF. HGF. Already we proved this in the first one. Means so for to solving this we proved this. Okay. Once again you can try yourself. You write it by yourself only.